Peachtree Chapter 3, Reports. We've been talking about making sales to customers, and we now want to generate some reports for this. Let's have a look at some of the common ones, and if we go down here we can see recently used customer reports. So I'm going to show you that first. You can access the cash receipts journal, sales journal, customer list, and so on. We'll start by saying let's have a look at the cash receipts journal. That's the money that we've received. So we double click there and we look for the period we're working with is January of 2009, so we've got the appropriate one there. We're not going to do any filters for the moment. Let's say OK to that. And we need to print it to somewhere, so we're going to print it to a PDF file. Here we are. And we will call it the Cash Receipts Journal in the test folder. And there is our Cash Receipts Journal for $12,982.50. That's the amount that we've received during the month of January. I'm going to close that file now. And we're going to go back and look at another way of doing these. I'm going to view all of the reports we can generate, and here we are. This shows us all the reports I can generate. So I will have a look at the Cash Receipts Journal here. You can see it comes up $12,982.50. But now I've got another choice. I can export this to Excel. So this is what we're going to do. Export to Excel. We're going to create a new Microsoft Excel workbook. Okay. And now it is taking this over to Excel, creating our file for us, opening Excel, almost there, fine, here we are. So I'm going to save this. This is a worksheet, Cash Receipts Journal, and I'm going to save it in a workbook within the test folder. The work that I'm doing at the moment. We're going to call this book Customers. So we'll save that. That's fine. Now I can minimize that. Close the Cash Receipts Journal. I'm now back in Peachtree. And I'm now back with the list of my other reports that I can have for customer sales. I've just done the Cash Receipts Journal. Let me now do the customer ledgers. There we are. Open the customer ledgers. Again, I'm going to go to Excel, but this time instead of creating a new workbook, I'm going to put another worksheet in the existing one. So I've checked it off there. I now need to browse to make sure I've got it. This was in Customers, so I've opened the Customers workbook. Click on OK, and this should send our customer ledgers to the customer workbook. There we are. You can see Microsoft Excel opened there. Right, here now are our customer ledgers, and you can see here's the sheet for customer ledgers and our previous sheet for the Cash Receipts Journal. So we can generate almost any number of those reports and place them as worksheets in a workbook. This is something that you will be doing fairly frequently because this is the way in which we want you to submit many of your assignments. Don't forget, when you do this, after each worksheet, I would advise you to save your workbook. Thank you.